So here's what you should be eating for breakfast. High density sweet fruit, bananas, or some such thing. Something like this, lilikoi. Woo! 5 times the vitamin C of an orange, 1 lilikoi. I'm putting 2 in here. So I'm eating 10 oranges worth of vitamin C. So far this morning I've had a couple of oranges. Cilantro. I'm going to put a big, almost half the thing in there. Actually, cilantro, there's more nutrients in the stems than there is in the leaves. Quite a bit more, actually. So I'm gonna go with the stems this time. Let's put the stems in and a few leaves. Chop them up pretty good. Dump them in there. I'll take about half of this. Leave some cilantro left over for making salsa. And pop that in there. So that's almost probably 2/3 of a bunch of cilantro. Let's see. Yeah, so I'm not going to do kale this morning. I'm just doing cilantro, lilikoi, and bananas. Simple, easy to digest. No chia seeds or protein powder or any of that crap. You don't want any of that stuff in the morning. You want good, pure, clean energy. I'm going to blend this up on my $5 $5 thrift store blender. Not for very long, like, 30, 45 seconds. And the reason for that is wow, I'm going to do it a little more because I can see the bananas didn't really get blended. So what I got here is, see the green particles? That's the cilantro. So the fiber's still in there. The fact is that when you blend something, you're destroying the fiber. So bananas, I probably destroyed all the fiber in the bananas, right? The thing about that is bananas don't have a lot of fiber to begin with. Okay, so sure you compromise the fiber a little bit, but it's not that big of a deal. But I still have the cilantro intact. The lilikoi is like a gel, so I don't think it harmed the lilikoi too much, right? So yeah, this is what I'm going to eat for the rest of the day, or for the rest of the morning. I'll have some snacks. Let's see. Once upon a time, I had a jar. I'll just put some in this glass. So yesterday I had a similar thing, only I used kale. And then I ran off. I rode 6.5 miles to the beach. I carted my bike down a volcanic cliff. I did about 45 minutes of intense yoga. I did 50 push-ups. I went swimming for about 45 minutes in the ocean, body surfing. Then I rode the 6.5 miles back. All right, that's the kind of stuff that bananas are made of.